Hey guys, how are you all doing? Once more, I just want to take this wonderful opportunity to welcome you all back to Sophie's Cooking Corner, where love cooks. Yes guys, in today's video I am going to be roasting a whole chicken. Okay, so as I'm displaying here are my seasonings in which I will be seasoning the chicken with. Okay, and also I have olive oil that I'll be using, my garlic and herb all-purpose seasoning, complete Badia seasoning, Cajun style, and also roasted and garlic. Yes guys, I love my stuff full of flavor. And as well I have some, you know, natural seasoning here, garlic, thyme, and also some scallion, or some say green onion, or some call it spring onions. Also here guys is my kitchen shear. I will definitely be using this on this nice baby. So guys, without further ado, let's jump straight into this video. So guys, it's time to get this chicken sexy up. Okay, so guys, you want to turn it over on the belly, right? Let me fix this. And I'm going to use my kitchen shear just to cut. See that bone in the middle? I'm gonna cut it out. So now that I get this out, I'm just gonna clean up, you know, the inside of it using my knife. I'm just gonna clean under, you know, just like the excess fat that is hanging off, because I love my chicken to look neat, you know, even though while it's being roast, you know, the fat and stuff gonna burn out. Yeah, so I think it's good at this point. So guys, this is how it's gonna look, because I'm gonna turn it just like this. Okay, and this is how you want your chicken to look, right? So I'm just gonna clean this out because I'm not wasting it. I'm not gonna waste it at all. I love my bones. For all the ladies who love to chew on the bone, I am one of them. Yeah. So now I'm gonna wash this nice sexy chicken. So guys, I am done with, you know, washing the chicken and stuff, and now it's time for me to apply the seasoning. So I'm gonna go ahead by starting with the Badia. It doesn't matter which you want to start with, it's not a big deal. Okay, and guys, I'm just gonna use my discretion. It's okay if, you know, you want to use like a measuring, you know, spoon to measure your seasoning. It's not a big deal. Going under the skin and stuff because you want your chicken to taste yum yum. Okay, oh guys, I forgot to mention that I didn't mention my garlic powder at, you know, the start of the video, but it's still not too late guys. So since I'm finished with, you know, applying the powder seasonings and stuff, I'm now gonna drizzle some olive oil onto the chicken, and olive oil will make the chicken moist. So my olive oil, I'm just gonna drizzle some in my hand and just, you know, just go like that onto the chicken. Just looking at the chicken alone guys, I can tell it's going to be delicious. Put it under the skin as well. So this here will also help in the marinating process. I can smell it. It smells so good. And yes guys, at this point I am through with doing this part of the seasoning. So now guys, I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, stuff the opening area with this natural seasoning, my garlic, scallion or green onions, and also some thyme, just like that. So guys, now that I'm through with doing my seasoning, I'm gonna let it sit for 1 hour to marinate, and then after that I'm gonna be removing, you know, the seasoning that I stuffed in it. Then you'll see me back when I'm about to put it in the oven. So guys, here is our chicken after it's been marinating for 1 hour. Off camera I went ahead and I applied some paprika. Yes, I applied some paprika to give it this nice, you know, pretty brown seasoning look. So guys, at this point the oven is heated at 400 degrees, and I will let this chicken roast for 40 to 45 minutes. So it's time to get this baby in the oven. See you soon. So guys, what I love to do as well is just get a container with water and put it in the oven while I roast my chicken. This will, you know, just keep the chicken moist, you know, while it roasts. So guys, half an hour since the, you know, the chicken is, you know, sitting in the oven. I'm now gonna check on it at this point. I'm gonna use my fork to just, you know, it looks good. I like the way it looks. So I'm just using my fork just to, you know, like kind of penetrate the chicken, you know. Oh, look at all that juice coming out, you know. It looks good. Yep, it's coming on guys. So I'm gonna leave this here for another 10 minutes. Okay, so I'm just moistening it up guys with the fluid that is coming from the chicken itself. Yeah. Ooh, smells so good, and I can't wait to bite up this chicken. So guys, I'm just gonna tuck it back in, and then within 10 minutes you will see me all at presentation.